Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this Christmas / New Year's look. I wanted to go in with this color that I feel that is very popular this year, which is this maroon burgundy wine color. I feel like it's really in, and pairing it up with this gold glitter is amazing. I love it so much. You can also do this look with a silver glitter, which will look really beautiful as well. So I hope you guys like this look, and if you guys do recreate this look, tag me. Follow me on all my social medias that I will leave down here. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to become part of the royal squad. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And remember, you guys are all queens and I love you guys so much. When I down the other one to go, and I'm going to show you guys how I got this eye on this eye with the Stilazzi Spellbound palette. This is how it looks like. It has beautiful shades. Love it so much. So let's get started. So I'm going to pick up Nudist, which is this shade over here. Picking it up with the Morphe White 15 and apply it all over the eyelid. I always like to start off with a nude shade all over the eyelid. So for my transition shade, I am going to be picking up Cognac, which is this shade right here. I'm going to be applying it with Morphe Y19 brush and applying it to the crease. I'm going to apply this transition shade more rounded because I'm going to create this halo eye. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to grab a clean fluffy brush. This is the Makeup Shack T4 brush. And this, I always like to have a clean blending brush just to blend out any harsh lines and blend everything nice and seamlessly. Wine Knot, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to be picking up that shade with Color Blend brush from Stilazzi. I'm gonna stamp this on the outer part of the eye. So that same color, I'm gonna be stamping it right here in the inner corner of my eye. Grabbing my clean blending brush and just diffusing some harsh lines. We're gonna be picking up this brush quite a lot. For me, it is very important having a clean blending brush just because I like to diffuse any harsh lines. I like everything to look nice and blended. So just picking it up and then grabbing again a little bit more of that Why Not color and stamping it on. When I get over here to the outer part of my eye, I do circular motions blending. With the same Stilazzi brush, I'm going to be picking up another shade, the color Chocolate. And I'm just going to start applying this more into the outer part of the eye, going into the crease. Just grabbing that color Chocolate and sweeping it on top of that burgundy shade, that Why Not color, just to deepen up this crease a little bit more. Grabbing again the same clean blending brush and diffuse.
Few moments later.
So to create that little area for the halo, I'm going to be using the LA Pro concealer to clean that up. Grabbing some at the back of my hand. So I will be cleaning up the center of the eye with the Almond Cosmetic little brush. I really like this small detail synthetic brush. I'll be grabbing this Luxy Lux brush. I'll be using the other side because I picked up some other color with this brush as well. But I'm going to be patting this concealer down just to set it into my eyelid. The color that I'm going to apply in that center is the color Pyramid. Picking that up with the small Luxy Lux brush and adding it to that center. And it is such a beautiful bronze gold color. It's like beautiful. Now I'm going to be picking up my Pixie Glow Mist like this. Have a little bit, so I'm trying to finish it. Spritz my brush, grab that pyramid color again, and just dab it onto the center to just intensify that gold, beautiful gold color. So now I'm going to go back with my Stilazzi brush, the color blend brush, and I'm going to continue to add some of that Why Not color and blending the Why Not with the gold. So I really want this wine color to pop, so that is why I'm stamping it on. And then we are going to diffuse any harsh lines with our clean blending brush. I absolutely love these shadows. These shadows are very blendable. They're very pigmented. I absolutely love and stand by Stilazzi products. Even their brushes are so amazing. I do have a variety of Morphe and Stilazzi brushes, but Stilazzi brushes are amazing. Like, the quality is really, really good. So like, my favorite brand of brushes have to be Morphe and Stilazzi, like hands down. Now we're gonna grab the clean blending brush and blend any harsh lines. So now with the same brush, I'm gonna pick up the chocolate shade that we applied, that dark brown, and just lightly sweep it into that crease. I'm going to add a little bit more gold because it kind of faded away. Even though we're gonna add glitter, I still want, and if you can see on this side, the gold still peeks through. So I really want this beautiful gold shade, which is called Pyramid in the palette, to pop and peek through. It's time for glitter. I'm going to be using one of my favorite glitter brands, which is Sasha's Vanity, and this is in the color Athena. It has chunky glitter and it has small fine glitter as well, so it's really beautiful. It has like reflectives of green, of purples. It's so gorgeous, and I really, really like their glitter. I highly recommend Sasha's Vanity to you guys. The owners are amazing. They're so sweet as well, so love you guys. Always gonna show support to you guys, so highly recommend the Sasha Vanity glitters. To make the glitter stay on my eye, I'm gonna be using this liquid sparkle bond, which is a Thai mineral sparkle bond. This is a huge bottle. It's amazing. It's natural, it's organic. It's very gentle onto the eyes. I really, really like this. I really love using this with my loose glitter. It's amazing. Look at the bottle. I can definitely never run out, which I could run out, but I don't do a lot of glitter looks, but I mean, this is gonna last me a long time. I just put some of this sparkle bond on top of any flat surface, and I just dip my brush, which is the brush that I'm gonna be using is a shader brush from Sigma, and I just dip this into the liquid bond, grab some of that glitter, then I'm just gonna start stamping it onto the eye. I have tried other glitter adhesives and they burn my eye, and this one is just so gentle onto my eyes. I really, really like it. But do you guys see how beautiful this glitter is? It's like gorgeous. I'm going to grab the chocolate shade, which is the dark brown in the palette, and just add a little bit more onto the outer parts of the eye. Grabbing a little bit more of the Why Not color and doing the same. So I did get a little bit of glitter fallout. I'm going to grab my powder brush and very lightly, with no pressure, just sweep that out. Alright, so now I'm going to apply color on the lower lash line. I'm going to be picking up the Y19 color and using the cognac color, which is that brown. Then I'm going to grab the color that I picked up, Why Not, and the chocolate shade. So I'm going to be using those two shades and adding them onto the lower lash line. Picking up chocolate first and just trying to add that right into closest to my lash line. Like that. Now grabbing Why Not. Why Not, I'm going to stamp it more on the outer part of the eye just to mesh everything together. Just sweeping connecting it and sweeping it in. I'm gonna grab the clean blending brush and just blend that out. Any harsh lines. Also gonna pick up the Luxie Lux brush and grab that Pyramid Gold shade that I applied in the center of the eye, and I'm gonna stamp that in the center of the lower lash line. Just to add like a really pretty definition to the eye. So now it's time to add highlight on my brow bone and highlight to the inner corner. And to do that, I'm going to be picking up the shade Skinny Dip, which is this shade right here. And to apply that brow bone color, I'm going to be using the Y15 brush that we used in the beginning, the one we picked up, that nude shade. And I'm going to apply this onto my brow bone. To apply the inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using this flat shader brush from Inglot. And just stamping this beautiful frosty pink, champagne pink color. I really like this shade. It looks really good and it meshes very, very well with the eye look. I'm going to grab my brush and just blend out that harsh line, because I want it to be like nice and seamlessly blended into that Why Not color. Alright, so to brighten up my under eye area and also to clean it up a little bit, I'm going to be using the KkW Brightening Powder in number 3. And I'm going to be using this brush from Morphe. This is the R13 brush. Tapping off the excess and then just dabbing this underneath my under eye area. And this just brightens up this under eye area, makes it look more awake, more clean. And then I like to dab it onto the center of my nose, the center of my forehead, right here, right there. Now it's time to prep my eye for lashes, and to do that, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to be applying my mascara, which is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And the lashes that I'm going to be using, I have used these before. These are the Morphe Smoochy lashes, which I think they're super cute. So I'm going to apply these lashes off camera. So I will be right back, and then we will finish off our face and complete this look. So I'll be back. So lash is on, but I am going to apply an eyeliner pencil onto the waterline, and I'm going to be using the one from Morphe in the color Gemma. It is this beautiful champagne color. It is so pretty, and I think it goes well with this eye look. I love these Morphe lip liners, the eye pencils. They're only $3 and they work amazing. Like, highly, highly recommend them. So now to warm up our face, because oh my god, I look pretty ghostly, pretty pale. I need some definition and some warmth to this skin. We are going to use my favorite, which is a MAC bronzer in Give Me Sun. This is my all-time favorite. It is a must in my makeup collection, and it is a must in my makeup routine. I will be using this brush from Morphe and warming up my cheekbones and just giving more definition to my face. I apply some onto my forehead. So I apply bronzer everywhere outside, like on the outside of my face, just to create it some warmth, some life. It's just some life. Because I felt so ghostly throughout the whole video, but I love showing you guys my face routine. Let me know down below if you guys like me going on with my full like foundation, concealer, my brows done, and then one eye done. So let me know if you like that. And let me know what you guys want to see down below. Let me know. I need ideas, okay? I will highly, highly appreciate it, because you know, queens, I love you guys so much. So I am going to contour my skin, give it a little bit more warmth, and to do that I will be using the Too Faced matte bronzer, the Chocolate Soleil medium deep matte bronzer. Looks like this. I'm gonna grab it with my Luxie Lux brush and just apply this in the hollow of my cheeks to create like that definition, that sunken in cheekies. And with this same brush, I'm going to apply it onto the sides of my nose. I'm going to grab my powder brush because I like to extra blend my face. Diffuse any harsh lines. Make it look nice and blended. Perfect. So now for blush, I'm going to be using Stilazzi Bahamas blush palette. I really like this palette. It's really amazing. These are the shades, and I'm going to be picking up Tropic and then mixing it a little bit with Flamingo. Love it. So I'm gonna grab my Y4 Morphe brush and dipping it into both shades, tapping off the excess and applying onto the cheeks. So like you guys can see, these blushes are very pigmented as well as the eyeshadows. They're amazing, but I'm gonna go over it with my powder brush and diffuse it a little bit. So for highlight, which is my favorite part of my makeup because I live for highlight, like literally live. So I'm going to be using Lancôme. This is the dual finish highlighter in Sparkling Peach. And I'm going to be grabbing it with my R36 Morphe brush. You can tell I use this a lot. It's my favorite. Tapping off the excess and applying to the cheekbones. Like, do you guys see how blinding and beautiful this is? Like, oh my god, so gorgeous. This highlight is to die for. I'm gonna apply this onto the tip of my nose and then a little bit onto the bridge of my nose. I'll keep it spell. You guys see how beautiful this highlight is? Like, if you don't have any highlights from Lancôme, go get you some. They're amazing. So now it's time for lippies. For lippies, I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics birthday collection. I'm going to be picking out this color right here, which is called Queen. I'm going to show you how beautiful. Aren't these cute? Thank you, Crystal. She got them for me when she went to the pop-up shop for Kylie Cosmetics. So yeah, thank you. I love them so much. So I'm going to be using the shade Queen. So cute. It's a little mini liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. So cute. So I'm going to be using this shade Queen. It is my favorite shade in the whole range. I love it because I love it for two things. The shade is beautiful, and of course it has my name on it, Queen, because I am the queen, right? So we are going to apply this onto our lips. So this is the completed look, and we're going to top it off by setting our face because, of course, since this is a Christmas New Year's look, you want to set your face if you're going to be wearing this for either night because it's going to be a long night. You want your makeup to look good, stay looking good all night, right? So we're going to set it with the Morphe setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray. I love the Morphe one. And we're going to set our face. And it smells so good. It's so amazing. I love this setting spray. So now you are all complete. You're ready for the night. You're ready to slay the night. Happy holidays, guys. Happy New Year's. I love you guys so much.